Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and it is time to get suited and booted for the workout. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today is hump day. We will get over it soon. Now, the name of this watch face is called Kara Style 006. Now, this watch face is going to be for the runner or jogger in you. It gives you all your stats for your steps, your running, your miles walked or ran, gives you your battery info. And in the always on mode, it looks just as nice because it's going to give you a digital readout of your time and also info on some of your step activity. Now, when the watch face is on, it's very plain, very simple. It is not interactive. I paid $1 in the Gear Manager store for this watch face, and I like the fact that it has a moon phase. Now, with the moon phase, once the daytime hit, the sun is going to shine. So I'm liking this watch face, and it does give you the day and the date. Again, very plain, very simple. Question is, at the end of the day, is it worth the $1 in the Gear Manager store for you? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.